Question number 4 from the practice set 1.2, that is last question from this practice set 1.2, and the question is write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. We have given 7 sets here and we have to decide whether the given set is a finite set or it is infinite set. Now here we have first example from question number 4, that is a is equals to into the curly bracket x such that x is less than 10, x such that x is less than 10 and x is natural number. X is a natural number but it is less than 10. So here you can write the set a is equals to into the curly bracket. We have to write all the natural numbers which are less than 10. So here you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, dash 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 up to 9, and it is finite set as the number of elements in the given set are countable. Since we write the set here, no need to write in the word, that is the elements of the set are countable, so it is finite set. We have all the elements here and we have total 9 elements. You can write it is finite set. It is finite set. Then we have second example, second set, that is b is equals to into the curly bracket y such that y is less than minus 1. Y such that y is less than minus 1 and y is an integer, means we have to write all the integers which are less than minus 1. Here y is less than minus 1, so you can write b is equals to into the curly bracket is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. There are infinite integers. There are infinite integers which are less than minus 1. So here you can write it is infinite set. It is infinite set. As we have less space here, we didn't write the statement. You can write the statement also, but we write the set here, so no need to write the statement. We have the set B in front of us and that is infinite set. Since there are infinite members in that set, it is infinite set. Now third set, that is C is equals to set of students of class 9 from your school. Set of students of class 9 from your school, and it is finite set as we know that there are finite students, number of students in the school, and particularly we have given the students of class 9. If we take all the students in your school, then also it is finite set because there are finite number of students in our school. But here we have given set of students of class 9 from your school, and we know that there are finite students in the class 9 of our school since it is finite set. But here we are unable to write the set in this listing method. We cannot make the list here, or you can take the attendance from your class teacher and you can make the list, but that is not convenient. So we are not going to write, or we are not going to write this set by listing method, but we know that it is finite set as there are finite students in our class, so it is finite set. So here we will write the reason in the words because we are unable to write the set by using listing method. So here you can write as there are finite students, as there are finite students in class 9, as there are finite students in class 9, it is finite set. it is finite set. Next example, next set we have given, that is example number 4, set of people from your village. Set of people from your village, and it is also finite set. We are able to count each and every person, each and every people from our village, so it is finite set. Sometimes in our village on the board it is written that the population of that village is how much, that is written there on the board. So here set of people from your village, if it is not given there on the board, till we are able to count each and every person, each and every people from our village, and that is finite. So here you can write, as there are finite people in our village, as there are finite people in village, as there are finite peoples, it is finite set. We are able to count the number of peoples in our village since it is finite set. Next example, example number 5, that is set of apparatus in laboratory. Set of apparatus in the laboratory. Here also we are not going to make the list of the apparatus in the laboratory. We know that they are finite. We know that the apparatus in the laboratory are finite. Number of apparatus in the laboratory are finite since it is finite set. We are not going to make the list. There are so many apparatus like a test tube, conical flask, then we have a gas there to give the heat to the objects, or some chemicals, we have a gas there. So many instruments, apparatus are there in the laboratory, but it is not easy to make the list of that objects. It is time consuming since we are not going to make the list, but we know that there are finite apparatus in the laboratory. There are finite apparatus in the laboratory, so it is finite set. So here you can write, as there are finite apparatus, as there are finite number of, or you can say it as countable number of apparatus, as there are finite number of apparatus, it is finite set. It is finite set. Next example, that is example number 6, set of whole numbers, and we know that there are infinite whole numbers since it is infinite set, or you can write the set here. So W is equals to, into the curly bracket, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here we have infinite whole numbers, so it is infinite set. It is infinite set. We write the set, so we not write the reason into the words, and where we are unable to write the set, there we write the reason into the words. Here we have a set in front of us, that is the set of whole numbers, and since we have infinite whole numbers, it is infinite set. And last example, that is example number 7 from this question, from this practice set 1.2, set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. Again we are unable to write the set of rational numbers. We are unable to write the set of rational numbers because we didn't know from where the rational number started and from where they ends. Here we knows from where the whole number started, we knows from where the natural number started, but for the rational numbers we didn't know from where the rational number started and from or where they are going to end. They are not going to end, they are infinite rational numbers. But starting of the rational numbers also we didn't know. But suppose we have to write the set of rational numbers, then we can write. If you want to write that set, we can write there. Everyone knows it is infinite set. As there are infinite rational numbers, it is infinite set. But how to write the set of rational numbers? As we know the definition of the rational number, you can write the set of rational numbers. We represent the set of rational numbers. We can write it as is q is equals to into the curly bracket p upon q, such that p comma q belongs to I, that is integer, and q is not equal to 0, and q is not equals to 0. Set of rational number, you can write the set of rational numbers like this using the definition. It is p upon q is a rational number where p is integer, q is any integer, but q is not equal to 0, and we write the definition here only. Q is equals to into the curly bracket p upon q, such that p comma q, p is also integer and q is also integer, and q is not equals to 0. As there are infinite rational numbers, as there are infinite rational numbers, as there are infinite rational numbers, it is infinite set. It is infinite set. This is all about the practice set 1.2. Here we complete the practice set 1.2. Next concept we will take into the next video. Thank you.